I want to just discuss what you should be looking for when you're looking at other stores and you're looking at the products that were most recently launched, right? So there's 4 key things that you want to look at, and this will decide what products from these stores recently launched list that you'll test, right? So the first is you want to be finding unique products. So what I say when I mean unique products is that when you go and you look at lots of different stores, right, there'll be lots of products that are repeated across different stores, right? So like, say this cat toast bread bed thing here, yeah, I've seen this advertised on like so many different stores, right? So because it's advertised on so many different stores, it means a lot of dropshippers are currently testing this product, and it potentially could be very saturated. So what you want to do is when you look at lots of different stores, you'll come to notice which products are unique, right? So here I've circled that these 2 products are unique, which means that when I'm looking at stores, these 2 products here, I actually haven't seen too many other stores test them. In fact, these cat paw slippers, I've seen no one test this. So this to me, it tells me that it's a unique product and it's not that saturated. The second point is the products that have a passionate audience, right? So just going to tell you that the product doesn't need to meet all these 4 points, but it should meet at least 2 of these points, right? So when we're looking at this, I can see 2 products here that have a passionate audience, right? So one is the toast bread bed, so that's people who love cats, and the other one is this unicorn beanie here. So I know lots of people have a passion for unicorns, lots of young girls do. So those are 2 passionate audiences that you could potentially target. The next one is the products that could go viral, right? So when I say go viral, this also means that some products can go viral within their specific target audience, right? So if you dial in your targeting, like this beanie, this unicorn beanie could go viral within that unicorn audience, right? So when these 2 things are combined, right? So when products that could go viral and products that have a passionate audience are combined, that's a really, really good indicator that it's a strong product that will perform. So this is my last point here, right? And let me finish this by saying that your product doesn't need to meet all these 4 criteria, but it needs to meet this last point, which I'm about to explain, and one of these 3 criteria here, right? So that have good engagement on Facebook, right? So when you find a product here, right, that meets at least one of these criteria here, yeah, what you want to do then is you want to search for that product on Facebook and see if it has good engagement, right? So let's say that we want to go and so let's decide that this cat paw slip-on, we want to test this product because it's a unique product, right? Because let's say, well, it's a fact that I haven't seen this product tested on many stores before. Product has a passionate audience, right? Because it's cats, and some people love cats. Products that could go viral, I don't really see this going viral. I mean, it could be a good product, but so this product meets these 2 criteria. So now we want to see if it meets this 4th criteria here. And the way to do this is to hop onto Facebook. So I'm going to do that now. And what we want to do is we want to search the product in Facebook, right? So cat paw slip-on. So some products like this, you need to think of the names, because some stores will name their products differently as to what other stores are using. So I think this might be cat paw slippers. Sounds more likely to get some results. So we want to search that. And we want to go to videos. And you can see here we've got quite a few products, quite a few people posting these products, right? So just to let you know that all these posts here are public, right? So none of these are dark posts, and I'm just going through and having a look at some of the views that some of these products are getting. So if we go down here, we can see that this product here has had 82,000 views, right? So I'm going to click on this. I usually just click on the one that has the most views. I want to go and look at the engagement, right? Alright, so we can see that this video is like really simple. It's just a slideshow of the product made on video editing software with some stock music overlaid. So it's a pretty like normal video, but look how much engagement it's got, right? It's got like 728 shares, 823 reactions. So this potentially is a really, really good product. And you can see it was posted only about a week ago. So it's a new product and it's doing well, right? So I would definitely 100% go and test this product. I would make a video. I never steal videos. I would go and make my own video, but you could potentially go and make a video with the images from AliExpress. And you could copy, you could copy the type of slideshow video. But yeah, definitely go and test it. So, if you see like if you see like a video like this that is getting tons of engagement, right? So, at least over like 500 shares and over 500 reactions, I would 100% go and test that product. Like, I'm even thinking right now, I should be testing this product. Like, yeah, I might even do it. This is a potential winner here. But I'm actually scaling a few products right now and I can't be bothered to go and test it. But another thing as well that you look for, right, is that I'm actually going to write this in the notes, right? Another point is that you need to make sure on Facebook when you look at it that the product is not old. So Facebook videos need to be recent, right? So what do I mean by that is that, like, if this product was launched, right, say like last year, all the audiences for it would already be exhausted because, it could have been a winner last year, now it's exhausted. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to scroll up and look at the dates that they were posted, right? So right now, the date is the 3rd of November. So all these posts are really, really recent, which is really good news. You want to be finding products that have been launched really recently. And then what I do just to make sure that it's not an old product, right? I'll go down here and I'll go 2016. And you can see that's exactly what you want to see, that no one has been launching the videos of that product last year, right? So it's a new product. It's been this year, yeah? So that's what you really need to see. You really need to make sure that people haven't tested it, say a year ago, right? So that's really important.